Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, June 9th. And we're looking at market profile here on Window Trader of SPY, IWM, and Triple Qs. And as you can see, the dance continues as buyers continually try to push upwards in all three of these indices. Triple Qs has gotten into their sell tail from yesterday. Russell right now is above yesterday's high. Don't forget, they did go out with a trend day. They held one set of single prints in J. And SPY and ES right at the top of their range for this morning. There aren't a lot of there's only three destinations on the upside, and even the downside right now, until we get more MGI, is pretty wide open. So it should be interesting to see who comes out on top. Again, until we get some kind of finality out of this balance, this market's going to continue to do this. Volume very light right now, 180,000 pre-market. Destinations on the upside as of right now, 422.99 pre-market high, 423.21 yesterday's all-time high, and 423.38 yesterday's pre-market all-time high. For the downside, we have 422.14 afternoon pullback low from yesterday, 421.97 overnight low, 420.32 yesterday's low, and then filling the gap at 419.99 from the 4th of June, and then 419.16 10 wide from June 3rd. So again, we'll go over a quick game plan. We even do one, like both of them for what's going on now if people are trading the futures, and then for around 9:30. So right now, if you're trading the futures and there's 75 minutes to go, we keep bumping up against L's high and yesterday's high. So you can certainly take a short play against that. I'd be out if you get any acceptance above yesterday's high. That'd be one quick play pre-market. As far as the downside, if you'd have pushed down like they did, and they already did, you could have taken a long, look at that, against the afternoon pullback low. Got right down there basically to the penny, held, and came back up. So you can do that trade. The question on that one is how much heat do you want to take? There's really nothing to the downside except half back and value low. As far as for the market opening at 9:30, again, if we basically stay where we are, this game plan would kind of hold the same. If we open right around where we are, you can take a short against L's high and or against the all-time high. Again, balance rules. They rule. We either continue to stretch this balance and come back in, or we don't get to the top of it and we come back in, or we finally get through it and don't look back. Again, it remains to be seen which of those scenarios will play out. So if we would open around here, again, I would take, because they've shown no ability to really move above the all-time high, you can take a short against yesterday's all-time high. I'd be out with any acceptance. Just remember, it will be higher value if you're up there at that point. As far as a call play, again, if you get acceptance into M's range, there's a good chance you'll go down and trade to that POC and the afternoon pullback. So that's another short play you can take if you get acceptance into there. No real call play at the moment. J's low might be something to lean on briefly, but again, it would be imbalance in value. And then quickly, I'm just going to show you the daily chart. Here it is, 3-day balance. Yesterday encompasses the whole balance. If they finally get acceptance above it, you should see new highs. The bigger question, we've asked this question time and time again, what do we get above the all-time high? So far, the answer has been crickets each and every time. We did 47 million shares yesterday. Another all-time high, the worst volume we've done now in a while. On the flip side, if they keep failing at this upper end, you're going to trade to the lower end, which right now is, on the 3-day balance, it's yesterday's low, 420.32. If you get any acceptance below that, you'll go to last week's low, 416.28. And then you have the 20-day moving average to see how that holds. Eventually, if this market fails up here, you can go test this 404, 405 level. So that's where the bulls certainly need some fresh blood to get them going. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.